Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Something I realized, the older I get, the easier it is to please my wife. The easier it is to please women. Well, today I'm gonna be surprising that taking her to do a shopping spree. But the shopping spree that we're gonna be doing today, it's a little different. We're gonna be going to Giant Tiger and we're gonna be getting some new pillows. We're gonna be getting some new bathroom shower curtain. We're gonna be getting some new sheets. What more can a woman ask for? Currently, she's at work. I'm going to get her from work right now. She have no idea that we're going to be going and doing this shopping. So if you guys want to come along, please stick around, subscribe, like, share, comment, and come along for the ride. Cat dragged in. So we're gonna be going to Giant Tiger. We're gonna be getting some shower curtain and sheets and pillows and stuff.
Wait, so it's hard to shop for that.
That's exactly what I said.
Shop for the house.
That's
Shopping
exactly what I said.
Shopping spree.
That's crazy.
Can I go crazy?
Come on, guys.
Wait.
Guys, welcome to Giant Tiger. So that's where we're at right now. So Giant Tiger is a store in Grand Prairie where you can get like household stuff, pillows, shower curtain, pretty much any little knickknacks. Safe to say it's Nat's one of Nat's favorite store. What's the way to a woman's heart?
Shopping.
Shopping. But isn't it crazy that the older you get, is like your priorities change?
It's shopping for the house.
Yeah.
Shopping for the house, not clothes and clothes.
So forth, so on. Come along, guys. Let's go on. We're looking for pillow, shower curtain, knickknacks. Okay, let's do it. Guys, isn't it crazy? We come in here for one thing and we end up looking at many different things. What are we doing in the clothes section?
I'm shopping.
Yeah. One of the things with these stores, you know, babes, like you're coming for one thing and then you see other stuff that you need. Look how long we need some bathing rag. Okay, what's the price on these? $2 and $3. Okay, Malia, don't pull it down. Okay. But this don't come in the set, you have to buy it single. So you have to buy 4. Just grab 4, just color code it and go. Say, men are very simple, you know. We just grab and go. Women are go. Which one do you want, Malia? Because you're getting a new rag. Which one do you want? Want the red one? Okay. The national rag of Jamaica? She wants the purple one. That one is big and more expensive. That's your new what?
My new baby one.
Yes, baby. Oh, the shower curtain is right beside it. $12. It doesn't really matter to me, babes. I just found this. How about these cheap ones? The quality probably more clear. I like this one.
Blue.
Blue or pink, guys? Which one?
If you go blue, we have
$10.
to go blue all.
Blue all. How much for this one?
12.
$12. $10. Quality.
Quality.
Well, if you're sure.
Quality.
I'm just here to pay. Which one? He said doesn't matter which one. That one? Just about this one. Match it. Oh, that one.
Alright.
What's the price on that? $20. What's that? Yeah, two stuff for one. $15. Guys, am I the only one who have a problem with how soft the pillows are in North America? Comment and let me know, guys. These pillows are too cushiony. I need the rock solid ones, the ones that are really tough and hard. Alright? The one them where when you put your head on it, it's almost like you're sleeping on concrete. Where do I find those ones? Let me know, guys. They're too soft. Tougher? What's the price for this one? What are those? Okay. So we end up gonna work with the cushiony pillows. Put two together. But it's $15, man. That's expensive to pair them up. If it was like $6, then you could put them together. So we seem to be having a hard time finding pillows today, guys. So we're gonna have to just forfeit the pillow mission. Unless you're gonna take the soft ones.
No, it doesn't make sense spending $15 for one. It's $15.
We saw some pillows up front when we just came in. Was it the same one? Did you check the quality?
It's good quality. It wasn't the same.
Was it softer? Was it tougher?
Bit tougher than those.
Okay, let's get those then. So these are better. $10 per pillow. Oh yeah, this feels much better. A little smaller but firmer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick up 3. So mission accomplished. Does this make you feel any better after a long day at work? Why, you wanna buy more stuff? You wanna buy stuff? No, well, that's it. We're gonna have to satisfy. We're gonna go to the African store and see if we can get some Jamaican produce. Amalia wants cheese.
You want cheese? Do you want cheese?
Okay, she don't want any cheese. That's a first. Oh dear me to think that I was gonna just pick up these things and make it to the cashier. That was before Nats noticed this section. Show's over. We're not coming out for now, guys. How much for it? Sorry, what size? 2, 3? You have to buy 3 for.
No? You like it? No? You like it? Sometimes it's yes or no. You like, no.
She says no, she don't like it. 2 for 10.
What about this color? Okay then. What about this one? It's like this.
Baby fully potty trained now. No more diaper. Too big for diaper.
I'm going to
your panty?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, here you go.
There you go. How much for it?
7. No, 10.
$10. That's a test mattress. Yes, guys, so just coming from the store, we ended up spending $109.
Wasn't a big shopping, guys, you know? Take what you can get, but yes, appreciate it.
Does it at least make you feel a little bit?
Yeah, just a little. Yeah, it's okay.
So, let me ask you this then, this. What does shopping like this do for ladies? Especially ladies who are married at home. Not even married, but like, the older you get, you seem like
Your
shopping
home,
for your home.
His home is where you get peace. It's supposed to be a peaceful,
Yeah.
clean, nice environment where, yeah, you know, you go home and you relax. So you have to let it be like homey.
So you get that homey feel, that homey vibe.
So yeah, so clean and changing out your curtains and changing your sheets and everything just give you, I don't know.
I want all of you guys watching this right now, especially the husbands. I want you guys to comment down below and tell me if I am the only one who don't care about these things.
You don't care.
Like if it's up to me alone, I don't even have curtain. Anyways, guys, where are we right now? We're gonna be going into the African store here in Goofy. We're gonna see what we can get. We're feel for some soup today. So we're gonna see what's in the store. Come along, guys. Come along, come along. Or the bleaching cream, man. I was trying to use.
Me? I never used it.
You have to get your spiced bun.
This is fresh.
Hello. I'm good.
Oh, no
Bula.
one? 5. I get another one.
No, you probably still, you don't know. Bulla. Come, one cheese though. You can get your cream crackers, your tough crackers, cereal, your own. Pick up an all-purpose. $7.99. Jano Maggie, pressure way. I did buy the brownie, yes. And we need some cock soup. Why? We need some cook soup noodle.
Why? Soup mix.
Soup mix.
$1. Sweet.
And Scotch bonnet pepper. Well, it's not really Scotch bonnet, guys. It's real habanero. And pimento seed. No pimento seed? The fish are come a far way. They bring it all the way from Norway. They have green ripe banana? Yeah, them the ripe is. We took too long. You know, Titanic. We took too long. Is anybody out there? Yeah, look alright. Can anybody hear me? We took too long. They're all ripe. Gizzard. Chicken feet. Chicken feet box empty base. Chicken foot box empty. What about you want the beef soup or the chicken foot soup? Cause for the beef soup we could put like some beef bone in it for nice it up. But even though I can't eat, it gives a soup flavor.
It does. It more flesh, more meat again.
What's this? Cane sugar? Good old Grace. Where's it packaged? Probably Toronto.
Yeah, the big some bananas.
It shows on the back where's it packaged. Product of Colombia. $25. A couple of this get there, so like she raise the price by the way. If you want it, I don't have a problem if you want it.
Could substitute for something.
I mean, it's not tasty as our juicy beef, but. Hmm?
You want cheese?
Should I just pick up the big one?
Yeah.
The jam?
I didn't remember no more, you know.
Good old jam. What's the price?
$5.
Malika, put on the big foot.
No, this might be from Philippines, but we have it in Ghana too. Yeah, from the Philippines. I don't know that one.
From India.
From India?
Asia. Yeah, Philippines.
So you said it's slimy like okra?
Yeah, you can blend it and mix it with okra.
So do you eat it by itself
Make it
or
like
do you...
soup? Yeah.
So we're from Jamaica, right? So
Oh, okay.
in Jamaica, okra, it's what we call an aphrodisiac.
Yeah.
Is this also an aphrodisiac?
I don't know.
Let's go pick up
I
some
don't
jotto
really
leaves.
know. Maybe.
Okay, I'll probably try it. You said just make soup or...
Yeah, soup.
Gotcha. So guys, we set out with the intention to buy 2 pillows, a shower curtain, and a few little knickknacks. Nothing really crazy. So I want to know, how is it that I end up with the stuff that I mentioned, plus a car full of groceries? Oh my gosh. Remind me not to go shopping with nuts again. Anyways, I'll end the video on that note. If you guys are still here, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on the video, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Ladies, what wrong with you? Let's go.